Alpha.
In a world filled with epic moments waiting to be captured, Sony has redefined the meaning of compact with two incredible cameras. Introducing the new standard of photography excellence, the Sony α7CR, where innovation meets imagination, boasting 61 megapixels along with the Bion's XR processing engine, with exceptional eye autofocus tracking boosted with AI. When the sun sets, a new canvas emerges, a realm of creativity and possibilities that challenge the boundaries of light. And the Sony α7C Mark II, the power of exceptional low light performance at 33 megapixels, powered by the Bion's XR processing engine. Along with the brand new 16-35 2.8G Master Mark II, an ultra-wide and versatile lens with reduced size and weight and improved performance. Compact and versatile, the Sony α7CR blends into the busy streets, capturing the highest level of detail with the ultimate resolution, and if needed, add a grip for comfort. And for those who chase speed and precision, witness the future of automotive photography with the Sony α7C Mark II AI processing unit with car tracking and 10 frames per second, making it effortless. From the untamed beauty of Iceland's volcanoes to the pulsating energy of city nights, the compact elegance in the heart of London and the speed of automotive excellence. The Sony α7C series is designed to be your creative companion wherever you go for whatever you need.